She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a man. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a man. I'm a dog, I'm a man. I knew she was ready, so pardon my blondness. I see past pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I'ma let my guard down for you. Said I'ma put my guard down for you. Said I'ma be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to.
Okay, let's get straight into it. As we can see, we have extreme close-up on both hands, so you get a really good look at everything that's going on. We are going to be on the 8th fret, so 3, 5, 7, 8. So we're here on C, and our first chord is going to be a C sharp, C7, sharp 5. We're in F minor, 4/4, and it's 90 BPM. Okay, so we're starting here, C7 sharp 5. You can play with your index if you struggle with your thumb, or you don't like, if you don't feel comfortable. Okay, and then take those two fingers, slide back. Okay, now we're going to go in the same fret on the A string for our F. It's going to be our root, and then we're going to get our minor third there. Really nice F minor 9. Okay, so there's a transition, C7 sharp 5 to F minor 9. Let me just show you the last two chords, and then I'll put it all together with the timing and it will make sense. So from the F minor 9, we're already here, right? We're in the 6th fret here. That will be our B flat minor, but we're gonna add the 9. So we're not gonna play 6, 4, 3, 2. We're gonna move our fingers to the so 6, 3, 2, 1. But we're gonna put the add the 9 in, yeah. So and the last chord, we're gonna stay in that 6th fret, but now barring in the A string, so E flat will be our root, and we're going to keep this actually going to be the add 13, so E flat 7 sus2 add 13, a bit of a mouthful, and if you want, you can take that off and just make it an E flat 7 sus2, so no 13. Okay, let me put that all together with a count so it will make sense. Okay, so here's your pickup bar: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, so you see that C sharp, that C7 sharp 5 is going to happen again as you're turning around to the F minor 9. Okay, so second line, you just play the F minor 9 for 2 bars. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, then to the B flat, add 9, 3, 4, then E flat 7, 1, 2, 3, and then this time, as the end of the second line, that transitions you into your chorus. It's the same chords, guys, exactly the same chords. So we just need to get, a little bit into the rhythm, and then it's job done. Quick intermission, guys. I just wanted to say that the chord chart for this one is completely free. Just hit the link in the description. That'll take to my Patreon page where you can download the chart. Also, while you're there, do consider signing up. We're almost at 1,000 active members, which is absolutely amazing. Also want to give a big shout out to Eric Anderson. He's been an active member for 68 months. That's crazy. So all the strings, treble with a mute, and then all the strings. This is a go-to rhythm, yeah? And a slap into the next chord. Next chord, same rhythm. You can go to the 7, as I said. And that just turns around. Yeah, it's just a straight up repeat. Nothing changes. Takes you into the verse. So when we hit the last, so they're going to F minor 9, to make it a bit different, and this is what I've actually seen in the live recordings, they would actually go to a F7 sus4 add 9. I'd say on the verse maybe tone it down a touch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And that is everything, my friends. That is the whole song. Really straightforward, really simple. Okay, that's enough talk. Let me wrap it up right there. If you have any questions, as always, just leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Remember to grab the chord chart, guys, and hopefully I'll see you again soon. Take care.